Miss Kaogma 2023, we will be announcing the runners-up first. All right, are you guys ready? Woo! Here we go. Our Miss Kaogma 2023 second runner-up is candidate number 10, Shaina Nabakal of Buhi Camarines Sur. Congratulations!
The Miss Kaogma 2023 second runner-up will receive 75,000 cash prize, Luxel products, sash and bouquet, to be awarded by Rodesha Torrallo and Regional Director Herbie Aguas.
Now we're ready to award the Miss Kaogma 2023 first runner-up. The Miss Kaogma 2023 first runner-up is... First runner-up is candidate number 13, Christine Arnedo of Legazpi City.
The Miss Kaogma 2023 first runner-up will receive 100,000 cash prize, Luxel products, sash and bouquet, to be awarded by Vice Mayor Josefa Fabi, Attorney Brim Mangubat, and Ramon Simon D.
And now it's time to move on to the three title holders. Starting off with Miss Kaogma Tourism 2023. Our Miss Kaogma Tourism 2023 is candidate number 9, Mary Joy Darilay of Naga City.
Miss Kaogma Tourism 2023 will receive 100,000 pesos cash prize, Luxel products, sash, bouquet, to be awarded by Jovi Bequilio, Cristel Sales, and Celeste Cortesi.
Now, two ladies remain. Everyone has been waiting for this moment.
Woo!
We will announce the Miss Camsur, followed by Miss Kaogma 2023. Can we please have the last two remaining finalists come to the center stage?
And also wearing the same gown color, by the way.
The results are in! Who do you think it is? Miss Camsur 2023 is...
Who are your bets?
Kabado na sila
Oo nga,
as of this
on
moment.
the edge of their seats.
Yes. Miss Camsur 2023 is candidate number 16!
Which means Miss Kaogma 2023 is candidate number 14, Iris Oresca of Naga City. Congratulations!
Miss Camsur 2023 will receive 300,000 cash prize, Luxel products, sash, bouquet, and a crown, to be awarded by Director Jay Ablan, Georgia Tricia Ganan, and Rabia Mateo. And your Miss Kaogma 2023 will receive 500,000 cash prize, Luxel products, sash, bouquet, and a crown to be awarded by Governor Luigi Villafuerte, Kizan de Lima, and Venus Ra.